Alright, thank you for watching. This is going to be tricks to selling on Zazzle. Don't get me wrong, Zazzle is a great platform to sell on, but one of the issues you're going to have to face is that there's a lot of competition. Zazzle is a very popular place to sell on. You're going to have to be able to find a way to stand out from the crowd so that your store can be discovered, that your products can be discovered, so that you can actually make some sales. It would be so heartbreaking if you had a great product and made zero sales. So hopefully this video will help you, give you some knowledge, give you some tools that will accelerate your growth. This is Crossing Seas, where we want to help you adventure from employee to employer. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment. It really means a lot to me when you guys do that. Also, in the description box below, I'll have a link to my #1 way to make money online. All you have to do is click on the link and you get your free ebook, and you'll have the same opportunities I have. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. The secret is to this whole thing is label your products really well. Use the search engine to find keywords. Check out similar products that are on the first page of the search. Also look at the title, tags, and descriptions of those products and just find out what works. Check everything out, look at it, and decide for yourself. Alright, let's use the search engine to find some relevant tags. As you see below the search engine, they'll have keywords, popular keywords that you want to use to label your shirt. So you look up a similar product, you look up the keywords that you want to use for your t-shirt, and then you just check them out from there. You could use anything from vintage, old, retro, stuff like that, and you just pick and choose what you want to do. You get about 10 different power tags. So then you just go down and you check out some competition. You say this shirt is similar to yours, you check it out, it's on the first page, it's looking pretty good. You check out what they wrote about, well, you check out what they wrote about in their design, check out what they wrote about in the product, you look how they just did things, see how it works. You don't want to copy word for word. That's not going to help you, but what you want to do is just get ideas. You just want to get ideas. You want to see how well this shirt is rated, the actual product. So these reviews are actually not for the specific design or the seller. It's actually for the material the t-shirt is on, and you can see that this is a very good t-shirt. A lot of people really enjoy it. It sells a lot. So what you do to find more tags, you go to the very bottom, and these are all the relevant tags. All the ones that are highlighted are relevant. So these are some of the tags you want to use to get your t-shirt ranked, to get your store ranked in the search engine. Next thing you want to do is check Google, see if Zazzle shows up on the first page for products similar to yours. Google's always powerful. It's the #1 search engine in the world. So let's check it out, and as you can see, Zazzle is not on the first result. You see a bunch of ads, and then you go a little bit lower and you will see that red bubble for vintage motorcycle shirts. It's actually ranks way better, and actually Zazzle's all the way down at the bottom of this page. So for this particular niche, I would actually suggest you would sell it on Redbubble. So you want to check the competition. You want to look at what they're selling, what kind of designs they're using, what makes them different. Look at how many products are in that particular niche you're looking at. So I even changed the keywords that I used for a search. I used old instead of vintage. And you see this guy popped up, this designer. And you just want to check it out, see what makes him different, look at his store even. But you don't want to copy what they're doing. You want to be unique. So what you want to do is find out what they're doing and learn from it and make it your own. Also, you want to create multiple stores and keep your stores niche specific. So if one of my stores has this little guy called B-Lot, so I also sell biker chick stuff, so I don't want this store to have a bunch of motorcycle designs. So what I do is I just go and click on new store, find a name that works. Let's check it out. You might not get the name that you wanted to begin with, but just keep on trying. Don't give up. Be creative with your name. They have you can't have spaces, so maybe underscore. Just try to figure it out. I ended up having to take off the K at the end. So Oh, and I apologize for the chickens in the background. They could be annoying. Hopefully they don't ruin the video for you. And one of the reasons why you want a niche specific store is that you want people to like your store. So if people are looking for motorcycle stuff, you want your store to be all motorcycle things. If you want it to be funny peak unicorns, then have it be all funny peak unicorns, so that they go, they like it, they save it. And so here it's real simple. It's just like building your first store or any store. You just fill out the proper things, make it a decent, legitimate looking store. Just like everything, it's the tags, it's the description, it's the banner. Those are what's really going to make you stand out. Even though you may have fantastic designs, without this stuff you will not stand out. You won't look legitimate. So you want people to trust you. You want people to think that you're a real designer. All right, so self-promoting, this is something I have a little bit of a problem with. I sometimes get a little ashamed of it, but social media, post it on your social media accounts, post it on your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever it is, email list, Facebook friends list, send it out to them, tell people about it, have your friends follow and like your store, which is a very important thing about getting ranked on Zazzle. Also, and it's super easy to share your store. You can even see, if you lower left hand, it's going to be a hyperlink, so you can share it anywhere: Pinterest, Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter. It's all there. Upload consistently, treat it like a job, make a schedule of when you're going to upload designs. This way you're going to be able to maintain quality while increasing your quantity. And so the more shirts you have, the more opportunity you have to sell. If you're going to be whatever about uploading designs, then you're going to get a whatever results, and no one wants that. We want great results. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want to hear about. Also, in the description box below, I'll have my #1 way to make money online. Click on there, enter your information, and you'll get your free ebook. Thank you once again, and have a great day.